Our work on the campus community helps students and staff feel a little bit better about being on campus, having the parents feel a little bit better about sending their children here, making sure that everyone's following the guidelines and give everybody the reassurance that we're still here and we're following the guidelines.
We get a call and someone says, oh, well, I've been exposed or I have a positive. We start with who have you been in contact with? We go down the line, we help figure out who potentially might have been exposed, and then we make sure those people are not exposing themselves unnecessarily to the general public. So we just call and make sure they're doing okay mentally and physically, and making sure they're doing okay with their schoolwork. Contact the instructors and make sure they know the situation and are a little bit more lenient on them, because it's really stressful being alone and potentially having this disease that can kill people.
Being able to participate in a community that I knew was actually taking care of their students, ramping up testing efforts, and to be a part of the Guilford College initiative to keep students safe, that was a huge appeal to me. The community at Guilford, no matter what we go through, we will always be able to get through it better together.
I would say just wearing your mask, making sure that you keep a 6-foot different distance at all times, using hand sanitizer, washing your hands, and being aware of who you are around and who you come in contact with.
If we can prevent one person from being exposed, we can actually prevent a lot more down the line. And it seems to be doing a good job, because we haven't had too many cases. Pretty proud of that.